Hey everybody, East Coast Weather Authority meteorologist Mike Griffith here, and we're going to take a look at the next 7 days or so. Happy New Year, everybody, and hopefully 2019 will be a much more prosperous year. If 2018 was not a prosperous year for you, then we wish that it would be a much more prosperous year for you in 2019. So anyway, here we go. We're going to go into tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 2nd. And notice there's a little bit of a rainstorm that tries to develop down here across the Gulf Coast. And more rain and moisture, unfortunately, are going to be pushing into the southeast once again as we go later into this week. That's just not what we want. We don't want that type of setup where we just have mud the whole time and flooding rains. I mean, we've had enough rain so far, and it looks like the rain's going to continue into the southeast here, at least into the new year, the 3rd or so at least. Could be a nasty morning out Thursday morning when you wake up to go to work and commute. It could be a rainy Thursday morning, but then it looks like the faucet remains on because then more rain moves in again just in time for Friday. This is Friday right around 8 p.m. or so. That system moves away, hopefully in time for the weekend, but we can't guarantee there won't be any leftover showers, especially in parts of Virginia and maybe up into the Mid-Atlantic as well. Rain for Philly and the rest of the I-95 corridor in the Mid-Atlantic area as we go into this weekend as well. And then we finally dry out by Monday, which is going to be the 7th or so. So pretty much almost a week from today, it should dry out finally as we head into the more hopefully a colder period, colder transition into mid-January that we've been experiencing. It's going to be warm and dry in the southeast according to the GFS, and this is one of the models that we've been looking at. Excuse me, this is the Canadian. Okay, so let's go to the FV3 and see if we can get some runs out of this. Okay, so this is into next weekend. Sunday could be finally a dry day, but we can't guarantee it. I mean, this storm could linger into the early morning hours of Sunday as well. But Saturday, it looks like there's a rainstorm here in the southeast on the 5th, this coming Saturday. And then it dries up with a warm high pressure here to our southwest, which is going to be on Sunday. So it looks like Sunday might finally dry out for a period of time until something comes through maybe around the 8th or so in the way of some kind of a northern clipper system, which is what that could be up there. So really uneventful for many of us here in the southeast. We will bring you the latest updates as we see fit. But for now, everything looks like it's just all rain, at least for the foreseeable future. And we're talking like into this coming weekend and next weekend as well. So the next 2 weeks or so. It doesn't look to be that eventful here in the East Coast. So we should dry up, especially as we head into Sunday of this coming weekend, finally, even though we have to put up with more rain before that actually happens. Thanks for watching this latest update, East Coast Weather Authority. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith. Have a good one.